In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Keeper to Hamster Kombat to airdrop. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Telegram account or application on your device. Now on Telegram, go ahead and search for Hamster Kombat and click on the play button once you're on the bot of Hamster Kombat. Now in here, go ahead and click on airdrop. You'll find this at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on connect your Ton wallet. Click on connect your Ton wallet and here select the method of connecting your Ton wallet. I'll choose Ton Keeper since I have the app installed on my device. Once you choose Ton Keeper, this will redirect you into the application. In the application, go ahead and click on the Connect Wallet button to confirm connecting your Keeper wallet to your Hamster Kombat. Now, once you head back to Hamster Kombat, you'll be able to find your wallet connected to your Hamster Kombat.